Alright guys, we're back at it. The channel got another sponsor here. We got Run Right. It's by Sledgehammer, made by Davico. Davico Manufacturing. Good brand right there. Their Sledgehammer fuel and induction cleaning kit. Supposed to help with cleaning off, say, your removes carbon soot, varnish deposits, cleans valves, injectors, intake components, maintains airflow, fuel flow, that sort of thing. What else we got? Sledgehammer's fuel injection designed to remove these deposits to improve performance, reduce emissions, and improve fuel economy. Yeah, pretty good. And my Dodge, my 2001 Dodge, I think it has 155,000 miles on it. Could be closer to 160. I bought it brand new, and it's never really given me a problem. But you know what? After all these years, 2001 to, it's what, 25 years old now. Maybe we'll run something through this. Keep it clean, you know. So this is how it was delivered. I'll put links in the description below for this stuff. Looks like a two-part system. Now we got a little fogger valve. I guess that could go on there. We could use it like that or like this. We'll figure it out. So there goes the directions right here. Yeah, this will work on any type of fuel injection. It could be like most of the newer cars have direct injection, where the fuel injectors are either in the intake manifold or the head itself, or the old style fuel injectors would run off a fuel rail. So this is going to help with all that. Here goes some directions. Add Sledgehammer fuel treatment to the fuel tank. Before using the induction cleaner, the engine should be at operating temperature. Insert long straw nozzle, which was not in my kit. Shows a red one here, but I don't see it anywhere here. Let's see if I can grab one off another can. Unless it's... Oh, it's here. I was going to get one of these. So let's take a look here. We'll insert this like this. There we go. Perfect. So I guess we're going to put this in here first. I'll take it for a ride around the block. And then, yeah, we'll pop the hood. I'll pull the air cleaner off and we'll start spraying this in there. And, yeah, let's hopefully we're doing some good here cleaning it out. So, yeah, I'll be right back. All right, we're over here at the gas station. Gonna need a little fuel here. They said they wanted about a full tank. This truck has a big tank, so I'll put like, I don't know, 30 bucks worth of fuel in here and bring that up. And it does have 161,000. Anyways, we got the stuff right here. Yeah, let's throw it in, and then we'll go feed the vacuum system on the engine with the spray. Alrighty, let's get this all in here. Here it is. Gurgle, gurgle. So I'll fill this thing up here with this, and then, yeah, we'll go back and spray some foam in this thing. So see you later. Alrighty. We're gonna spray it. We're gonna start the truck up, and we're gonna spray this into the a vacuum line. That's what the instructions say here. See if I can get this close enough for you. If you want to freeze, pause the video to read it. So, I got my brake booster disconnected, the vacuum line, off the brake booster. And according to the instructions, I think they say this one would be better to use. We'll see. So I think this just pops off. That's what it said. There we go. And then this is just going to go on. You know it's going to spray as soon as I push it down a little. There we go. So that's all set. All right, let's go to the truck. We'll start it up. It's all warmed up, and we'll spray some of this. We'll start cleaning off some valves. So I'll be right back. All right, let's rev it up. Alright, it's squirting in there. Alright, yeah. I got smoke everywhere. Pretty good. That means it's cleaning it all off. Excellent. Alright, let me shut this off. There we go. Yeah, and instructions said a vacuum the PCV, which I did unplug this, and guess what? Mine was plugged solid. So I took this into the garage, cleaned it with brake fluid, and it's working. And on these Dodges, if you don't change your PCV valve on here, you end up blowing your intake manifold gasket. So it's very important. My oil change is due in another 300 miles. So I'll just put a new one on then. But it's working now. So there we go. So that's it. Hopefully we gave the old girl a little treatment today. It's like a spa treatment for the old Dodge here. Cleaning out the valves. Whatever else, any oil and gook and injectors, you name it. Okay, I thought I was going to end the video there, but I'm not gonna. I had a couple comments I wanted to make on this. I don't feel I ended the video right. And what I didn't say was you had to drive this immediately after, and I did drive it. And I wanted to mention there was a ton of smoke coming out of the back of my truck, my exhaust, which made me, I had to think about this. And that tells you this stuff is working really, really good. That tells you that my truck, my intake was full of oil and muck and varnish and all kinds of deposits of whatever, you know, soot, carbon, whatever. So after thinking about it, I'm like, oh my God, yeah, that really cleaned it out. It actually, I mean, I'm giving this product for free to do a review. And if I find a bad product, and I had a couple over the years where I didn't even make the video or post it because it was junk. So I didn't do it. But this one right here, my thoughts are telling me, the more I think about it, I mean, it cleaned that out pretty good. I mean, there's a lot of, it smoked pretty bad. I fogged out my whole road driving to the end of it. That's how much smoke was coming out of the back of this thing. And I got my camera on when I got to the end of the road, and I got a little bit of it, and I'll insert it right here. Alright, I'm driving it around. Here goes the, we're getting rid of some of this, what do you call it? So that doesn't really show you, or justly show you what was coming out of this thing. And it cleared up after, I would say, a mile or two. And I kept driving. I hopped on the highway, got off, came back home. And this is where I'm at. And I'm thinking about it. It's like, oh my God, this thing was full of gook inside that engine here. To be honest with you, I could probably do this another 2 times on that Dodge to get that to be even cleaner. What I'm thinking is the more you do this, eventually you won't have any smoke coming out of anywhere. Maybe a little bit. I'm not really sure on the science behind it. But doing it, like if I did it at least 2 more times, I'm thinking that would be a pretty clean motor when all said and done. So, yeah, I'm definitely going to do this again. Hopefully Run Right Sledgehammer. Maybe they'll send me a little bit more. That BMW out there. That definitely has 210,000 miles, and it'll probably need 2 or 3 treatments, I would say. So, yes, it is what it made a difference. I feel it did something there. It definitely loosened up and got rid of a lot of stuff for that amount of smoke. Like I said, it fogged my whole road driving out of here. I was like, holy cow, what the heck? And by the time I figured it out and put the camera on it, I was already at the end of the road. But yeah, yeah, I mean, this is a pretty good product, made in the USA. It's, it's pretty good. it actually did what it was supposed to do. So, yeah, this will be the ending of the video right here. So that's it, for professional use only. I'm definitely becoming a professional with it. I have to do it a few more times. So yeah, pretty good, man. Made in the USA, Pennsylvania. And there's nothing better than having a made in the USA, Pennsylvania product. So run right. Send me a case of this stuff. I'll do all my cars with this. Anyways, we're going to leave it at that. And I'm real happy with this product. So I would say if you're looking for it, look on the links below. I'm sure it's on Amazon or their own webpage or something like that. I'll definitely have links for this one. This one's getting 2 thumbs up all day long. If I could give you 4 thumbs up, I would, but I only have 2 thumbs. So yeah, we're going to leave it at that, and we're good to go. See you guys later, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.